So I was given a TV that was declared working, like so much other stuff that people give to me. Well, it wouldn't turn on, so I opened the back of the TV, and sure enough, the power supply was a charcoal briquette. The push-pull MOSFETs were completely destroyed. This one right here, let's see, has a whole blown clear straight through it. So I went online to see how much a power board for this thing would cost, and unfortunately the only one that I found was $50 with $11 shipping. And for a TV that's not worth $100, that's really not an option. So I figured, well, let's see if we can power it up by injecting voltages into the secondary side of the power board. So I cut all of the connections to the primary side. Can't move it very much, but you can see all the diodes and some capacitors and inductors. Anything that connected it to the primary side was cut. And I'm probably going to pull some of the transformers off too, because there should be a transformer right under here, and it doesn't need to be connected because it'll just have parasitic drain. Well, fortunately, the thing came on. As you can see, the light holes under here, the TV actually works. And I have a media player from a job that, and you can see that it seems to work just fine. This is HDMI. So what you can do if you're in a situation like this, and these boards are ridiculously expensive, is you can get a cheap eBay power brick. In this case, it's going to need a whole plethora of voltages. So I have 24 volts here, 3.3 volts here, ground, and then 12 volts, which is almost all of it comes from a standard ATX power supply. I have a boost converter back here pumping up 24 volts. And the backlight really doesn't draw that much power. It's not even registering on here. So just be careful if you start injecting voltages. You'll want something that has short circuit protection, or you're gonna have more exciting flames and explosions. I had a couple of those when I was first metering out everything on here, but it looks like it's gonna work, so I'm gonna go on eBay and see about finding some power supplies for this thing.